Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that will revolutionize the way you care for your Suede and Nubuck items. We found this product online and have included the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Introducing the Suede Nubuck 2 Ways Leather Larger Brush Cleaner. This innovative cleaning tool is designed to effortlessly remove spots and stains from your favorite Suede and Nubuck boots, shoes, jackets, and even furniture. Gone are the days of worrying about how to maintain the pristine look of your favorite items. This brush works perfectly in combination with any sprays, foams, erasers, and cleaning kits you may use. One of the standout features of this brush is its dual functionality. On one side, you'll find longer and thicker copper wires that gently card the villus towards the same position. This makes it ideal for a thorough cleaning without damaging the delicate fibers of your Suede or Nubuck. The other side features a soft rubber surface, perfect for lighter, gentler cleaning on thin, fine Suede and Nubuck. This dual-action design allows you to tackle a variety of cleaning tasks with ease. The larger size of this brush, measuring approximately 6.7 by 2.4 inches, is another significant advantage. The extended area of the longer copper wires and rubber makes it easier to clean larger items, like your UGG shearling boots or even larger furniture pieces. If you've ever struggled to reach every nook and cranny of your favorite items, this brush is here to save the day. This product is suitable for a wide range of users. Whether you're a fashion enthusiast who wants to keep your wardrobe looking fresh, a homeowner seeking to maintain the beauty of your furniture, or just someone who wants to make sure their favorite accessories look their best, this brush is an essential addition to your cleaning toolkit. Practical use cases are abundant. Imagine pulling out your favorite Suede jacket that's been tucked away for the season and finding a few scuff marks. With this brush, you can quickly and effectively clean it up, restoring its original beauty. Or think about those UGG boots you love wearing during the colder months. After a bit of wear, they could use some TLC, and this brush will do just that, making them look as good as new. In conclusion, the Suede Nubuck 2 Ways Leather Larger